I'm gonna go from looking like this to looking crazy to then looking good. There are so many people in here.
That's okay. I wasn't good at it at first.
Good morning, bestie boos. Welcome to day 14. I'm just getting ready for my appointments. My alarm did go off at 6, and then I decided that I'm not gymming it today. My body just hurts. Like I can't lie down, so like you should have seen how I had to sleep last night. Not just because of the pile of clothes in bed, but like generally because I couldn't get, like, my back just hurt. I have physio today, and I'm a little, that was too much. I'm a little worried about telling my physio about it because, like, I have to, but he's not gonna be happy with me. He's gonna be very crank. I'm also, like, a little bit tired. It's 8:22 right now. I have to leave about 8:45 just to make sure that I can get a park and whatnot, even though it's literally like a 5-minute drive. On the to-do list today is my appointment, which I'm getting my legs waxed, my armpits waxed, my eyebrows done, and my lashes done. A lot of things in this one appointment. Then I have a physio appointment. Then I need to go, depending on what time that finishes, I need to go to the plaza and I need to do some shopping. I need to get things for my trip. I need to get present for Sky and her baby. Then I have work, should have work. Then I need to drop Riley's shit off to his house. Give him back all his clothes. Then come home, clean out my car. The car needs to be cleaned, pack, and edit yesterday's Vlogmas. So we have a big day ahead of us, but it's fine. We're going to be a-okay. We can do this. Alright, I just drove into where all my appointments are. I don't want to say, it's like the town over from me. The suburb over from me. So I don't want to say it. I'm gonna go from looking like this to looking crazy to then looking good. So like we have to experience the crazy to like look good. And I do have to say we're being high maintenance to be low maintenance. Are you gonna park next to me, Dar? That's embarrassing. I think someone's, I gotta get out of here quick. I was gonna do like a cute little vlog, but someone is waiting for me to leave, so we're gonna scoot our booty out of here. So eyebrows done. They're not done like dark, like comp brows. Excuse me, get on your side of the road. Thank you. And I got my lashes tinted, so that way I don't look like I got no eyelashes when I go to the beach. Also went to physio. He like massaged my back and like released it, and it was feeling good, and now it's sore again. Like while he was doing it, I could feel it like taking away all the pain, and I was like, yes, my back's not gonna be sore. And then like I ran across the road and now my back hurts again. I love being injured. Also, as you saw, treated myself to some breakfast. Was it a healthy breakfast? No. I got a coffee from Finn & Co. Their coffee is literally like the best coffee near my house. They make it so good. Did do some Chrissy shopping because I had an hour break. I was gonna try and vlog, but then I got scared because there was so many people. Maddie, make sure you bleep that out, please. But yeah, I got a Christmas present for either my dad or my older brother. He's not older than me, but like the older out of my two brothers. Make sense? Yeah. I'm just gonna pull up right in front of my house, run in, do what I need to do, run out. I've made it to Kmart. It is 12:15. Was lot of traffic, or did I just take my sweet ass time coming here? Anyways. Ooh. Wish me luck. There are so many people in here. You can't really see me. I just walked into a bunch of workers. It was lots of fun. I've gotten part of Sky's president. That is all I've done so far. A chocolate fountain. Oh my goodness. Oh. The Christmas glasses are really cute. No, focus. I am going to look at the clothes section because they have really cute clothes here at the moment. But I need to do the baby section and try and get little Sophia her Christmas present first. I have found some swimmers. I don't know if they're like the cutest swimmers though. But we're gonna, I think I'm gonna, if they have a size 0. Do you have a size 0, please? I don't know what that means. Oh. They do have a size 0. We're gonna pop this in the trolley, but if we find a cuter pair, they will be leaving the trolley. We have made it to the plaza before 1 p.m. My mum said to look in Best and Less for swimmers for babies. Even though I did buy a pair of swimmers in Kmart, I want to get her 2 pairs because one for mums and one's for dads. I'll give you guys a haul proper later. I'm just going to take out the prezzies so I can carry the bag around. I don't know how much vlogging I'll do in the plaza because the plaza scares me. Although there was a lot of people in Kmart and I was vlogging in Kmart. Me and my mum have had like 5 phone calls today. It is the most we've ever talked on the phone. Anyways, I'm going to give you a haul in the car because it is at 2:30 and I don't need to be at the dance studio till 3:30. I have an hour and it only takes like maybe 15 minutes to get to the studio from here. Probably less. First of all, I got a free Starbucks because it's my birthday. I got the gingerbread latte. I don't know if I like it or not. I'm not the biggest fan of gingerbread, but I wanted to try it and it was free. Now, some of this stuff is not appropriate for the young eye. So this is a warning. I got my friend something that she needs and then something that's like a bit funny. Because I love her. And she has a child and she doesn't need any more. Right now. So I got Sky this misting fan thingy because her room is so freaking hot. I don't know how her and little Soph aren't dying in there. Actually, I think her nickname's Fee. I don't know. But I got her this. Hopefully it works. I did keep the receipt. So if it doesn't work, she can return it. And then I also got, this is like, this, you get like a little flash. Also Mum made me get something for Talia from Bath & Body Works, I'm not showing you. And then for her little baby, for little Soph, I got this swimsuit. She's very cute. Oh, was that the wrong way? It was the wrong way around. Cute. Let me, get the other bag. I got this little towel. You can't tell, everything is like swim related because she was a winter baby, so she has no swimmers. These swimmers are my favorite. Look how cute it is. I'm hoping this fits her. I do, as I said, I have the receipt. And then is the shopping for myself. I got this white shirt. How does this? Because I wanted a white top. It's not the white top I wanted, but I saw it and I bought it. And then I got this blue top. Why did I buy a blue top? Because I have an issue with the color blue. Literally anything blue I buy. And it was 2 for $20, so yeah. And then this is the one that I'm getting in trouble from. I already got in trouble with my mom because I told her on the phone I bought most of this. I bought a blue pair of swimmers because, as I said, I have an issue with the color blue. I found a new place to put you to vlog. I got Macca's because my whole body felt like it was shaking, and then I realized all I've had to eat today is a custard tart and 2 coffees, and that's not good for the soul. So I got an aioli medium meal and a water because I need water for work, obviously. And now I'm just sitting at work.
Hey! I'm not good at this.
That's okay. I wasn't good at it at first.
Wait, what are we doing?
Well, you've got to do warm up.
Why?
Run 3 laps and then stretch.
I'm taking this.
Alright.
I don't like running. Running annoys me. Actually, don't put that in there. Don't put that in there either. I'm done stretching.
Alright, we got long jumps.
No. Actually, don't put that in there either. Don't put that in there either.
This whole segment's just gonna be you saying, don't put that in there.
I'll give you a chippy if you like and subscribe.
Why?
Don't put that in there either. Don't put that in there either. What is this, mate? Come on, Maccas. Where's the pickle? Where's the mustard? They gave me the wrong burger.
So you sure someone didn't order that for you?
I ordered it myself.
Oh.
Don't put that in there either. Don't put that in there either.
Hi Caitlin, how are you? Wanna come be in the vlog? Do you wanna come be in the vlog?
Yes.
Yeah, when am I gonna get those glasses off? Yeah, you can ask him. I'm not coming tomorrow. So.
I love the stickers. Hey, they're my stickers. Maddie's face. He's stunning.
Okay, I'm driving my booty home right now from work. I dropped the stuff off to Riley's. I didn't vlog that, obviously. Also, one of my children came with me because we were supposed to go pick up somebody. And so she's coming with me to pick up this person, but then we didn't need to pick them up. Anyways, that's the story time. I'm going to move my car and put it in the carport. Come with me. I love that this is what I looked like just then. I didn't try to look hot. I just went looking like my gross self. That's so fun. Oh, the light. I don't want to do anything I have to do, but that's just because I feel ill now. But yeah, my mum's at the hairdressers, so my dad told me to move my car now and put it under the carport and just do what I got to do. Sorry, a fly just attacked me. There was a little baby spider. Fuck off. There was a baby spider on me. I mean, on my car. Don't know where Queen went. It looks really bad right now because, like, that's Riley gave me back my clothes and whatnot. So cute. Haul of what I left at my ex's house. Ignore all the mess in the background. I'm gonna open some Chrissy presents that I got from my kids. Also, I have no idea how long this vlog's gonna be because I feel like all I've done today is like a rant. These are from my Chrissy kid. These are from the kids I teach. There's 2 different presents in here. Do this one first. Some sour straps. Another little face mask and a lip balm. And this reminds me of the what were they called? They were like really trendy in like 2015. Oh, that's a cute little card. Oh, that other one was okay. I don't know why I struggled so much. Best chocolates ever. Alright, I wrapped my friend's present and her baby's present. By wrapped, I mean I found the biggest fuck off bags I could and put their presents in here. That's for her child. That's for her. And I hope she didn't get no card because I was lazy and did not do cards. Whoopsie daisies. Anyways, now I have to finish packing. Like, there's no excuse. I finished editing. I got the editing out of the way, but like, I have to pack. I leave tomorrow. I know that I literally went shopping today, but I have nothing to wear. I have zilch things to wear. By zilch, I mean like to go out to dinners. Because like I have normal everyday clothes and like gym clothes, but I don't have an outfit to go out to dinner. Guys, it's 11:30 and I'm almost unpacking this little bag, but then I have to pack that big bag. And I just remembered that I still haven't actually uploaded the video, so I have to go and upload the video.